Robots are no longer science fiction, they are here. Robots are rapidly changing industries around the world. From manufacturing to healthcare, robots are increasing efficiency and precision. They are performing tasks once thought impossible. The future is here, and it is automated. Robotics engineering is a challenging and rewarding field. It demands a unique blend of skills. A strong foundation in engineering principles is essential. Robotics engineers need expertise in mechanical, electrical, and computer engineering. Coding skills are crucial for programming robots. Creativity is vital for designing innovative robotic solutions. To become a robotics engineer, a bachelor's degree in a related engineering field is typically required. Advanced degrees, like a master's or doctorate, can open doors to specialized roles and research opportunities. Robotics is revolutionizing many industries. In medicine, robots assist surgeons with delicate procedures. They enhance precision and minimize invasiveness. In space exploration, robots venture where humans cannot. They explore distant planets and gather valuable data. Construction relies on robots for tasks like bricklaying and demolition. This improves safety and speeds up construction projects. Section 4. A rewarding career salary and job outlook in robotics. The demand for skilled robotics engineers is high. Salaries in this field are competitive, reflecting the specialized skills required. The average salary for a robotics engineer can vary based on location, experience, and industry. However, it generally falls within a comfortable range. The job outlook for robotics engineers is excellent. The field is projected to grow significantly in the coming years. As automation continues to expand, the need for qualified professionals will only increase. Section 5. Dean Kamen, a pioneer in robotics. Dean Kamen is a renowned inventor and entrepreneur. He has made significant contributions to the field of robotics. Kamen is best known for inventing the Segway, a self-balancing personal transporter. He's also the founder of FIRST, a global organization that promotes STEM education. Kamen's work has inspired countless young people to pursue careers in science and technology. Section 6. The future is automated robotics and the limitless possibilities. Robotics is a field with limitless possibilities. As technology advances, robots are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They are capable of performing more complex tasks. In the future, we can expect to see robots playing even greater roles in our lives. Imagine robots assisting with household chores, providing companionship, or even exploring the depths of the ocean. The potential is truly awe-inspiring.